Treated me kind, sweet destiny.
Greetings and salutations. This is Carla from MooreTalkJa, and I'm here today to tell you what are the 3 things you must expect whenever you go to Jazz and Blues. Just every single time I go to this festival, these 3 things happen to me. But before that, you know, I give away 1 free ticket, right? You know I'm giving away a free 3-day pass to Jazz and Blues. But if you don't know, here's how it goes. Mariah Carey Vision of Love competition. Put a hashtag before that. Hashtag MC Vision of Love. Make a 30 to 45 second video of yourself performing Mariah Carey Vision of Love and share the video at facebook.com/MooreTalkJa. Do it before the end of day on January 22nd because we are doing the awarding and drawing on January 23rd. Myself, Mamachel and Dutty Berry are going to judge it up, and then we love how to judge. And we're going to give away the ticket. Now, if you are running away because you cannot sing, come back. I am not judging for vocal talent. I am judging for style and drama. I want flair. I want to see win. I want to see hear. I want to see Mariah on that screen. If you give it to us, we're going to give it a ticket, and then you can come down to Jazz and Blues, come link up with me because I will be there for all 3 nights. Good? So, information is under this video. Otherwise, 3 things that are going to happen to you. 1, your footback is going to hurt you. Your footback is going to hurt you, and it will not be the fault of the organizers, it will be your fault because you are going to jump up out of your chair. Yes, I know you're going to come with a chair, you know. Me see you now walking with another chair and take it out on the van back, you know, or you know the man them outside where I sell the chair. Me used to try going with a piece of cardboard, but I realized that it wasn't really acceptable there, so I start going with cardboard. But you're going to buy your chair, you're going to sit down in your chair, and the second the artists them start coming, you're going to jump up out of your chair and forget about your chair. Every year, I walk through the chairs. It's like little trees growing up in the forest with nobody to attend them because nobody is sitting down in them. By the end of the 3 day them, you is going to be having pain in your foot back, so you get up and go and bad in the people them place. The second thing you must expect is going to happen to you. You're going to farm a fool of yourself. You're going to embarrass yourself. Me say every year I go to Jazz and Blues, I say them not drum me out, them not drum me out. Watch how I just go play it cool. So first step, you have a little camera here. Click, you take a little picture of the artist. Sometimes you move over the camera so you can look on them, but mostly you look on them on the small screen because you're not really moved by them, you're just interested in capturing the movement. Level 2 now you start get confused. You move the camera, you try look because the artist has sing some song where you know and it has sweet you. But you take your time. Level 3 now. The phone is somewhere upon the ground in your hand, in your back pocket. You don't know where, and you are sing out till all them vein in your neck and stand up because you sing loud. Remember Erica Badu draw me out 1 year, it was shameful. Next level now you start feel kind of bad about yourself. So you start look around the people around if you see who is judging you. Then you realize that the people them not in beside you doing the same exact thing. When you are singing the high note, them are singing the low note. And the final level is when you decide that the artist is singing directly to you, but more important, you are the artist, so you start remember the whole of the move them from the music video to do it to them. You see when Erica reached the end of Tyrone, see me but you can't use my phone. Boom! Drop me a drop in this mic, you know, on the people them place. The third thing that is going to happen to you is related to the second thing. You're going to befriend complete strangers. Complete strangers you're going to friend them. Because you see, when you realize that they must sing the same foolishness as you, and they might do all of the runs and whatever, and both of you are singing flat, a kinship is going to come up between the 2 of you now. And when you go start look on one another at different parts of the song, or they might all high five one another, when they start juke one another with you on the elbow and them type of something there. Please believe that if you don't exchange contact information before the festival done, we're not going to walk past one another in Mega Mart and act like we don't know one another because you will be slightly ashamed of the idiot that you was making out of yourself because you didn't go bad. But it is going to happen and it is going to be beautiful. Every year I'm going to go farm food and every year I love it. So, come, I will be there. Come and link me up at Jazz and Blues. Follow their accounts because they're always doing different types of giveaways and there's always new information there that you want to get. So on Twitter and Instagram, they're at Jamaica Jazz, and on Facebook, it's facebook.com/Jamaica Jazz and Blues. And also, if you just check out the hashtag JAJazz, you can basically get all the information that you want on them. So remember, you want the free ticket, enter the MC Vision of Love competition. If you want to go to Jamaica Jazz and get information, follow them all over the place. I will be wearing these earrings potentially for the entire duration of the festival because these are my jazz earrings. They make me feel luxurious and very Mariah. If you see me in the earrings, don't judge me. Just come up and hug me and take a selfie with me and let's just live in love, peace, and harmony. This is the point where I will insert me going into whistle register, but I'm incapable of doing it. Okay? So, love, peace, chicken grease, and I will see you at Jazz.
Treated me kind, sweet destiny. carry me through desperation to the one that